that side. Move this side, please, then.
Mumbunge wa Nandi Hills Alfred Keter akinyirio igoti-ini hamwe na onjoria athitangirwo na matandatu na mahingiritwo thitango ya kugeria kuiya makiria ma ciringi mirioni magana matandatu kuma kuri bengi nene na njira ya magendo. Othe makinyirio mbere ya mucirithania Francis Andai thutha wa guikio ngono muthenya wa gatano kiumia kihituku na kurara thero kwa ihinda ria thiku 3. Ona gutuika othe ni mareganire na thitango icio, mucirithania Andai ni amarekereirie na bondi ya ciringi mirioni 5 o mundu kana mbeca baribari ciringi mirioni 2 o mundu na amatha mahurage riboti wabici-ini nene cia CID. Ciro cio riu ugathikiririo mweri nya wa gatandatu mwaka uyu.
To the third accused person, the prosecution has indicated that the same is an exhibit. However, the third accused person requires it in order to prepare for his defense. So we have to balance both interests here. I'll grant limited access to the third accused person to his phone in the presence of the investigating officer during the time that he'll be reporting to the DCI or the investigating officer as and when he requires.
Ica ikuhi Keter ni arahamurithirio kuma giturwo-ini kia muikariri giti wa kamiti ya bunge egie uruti wira thutha wa kwaga gutia ritana ria mutongoria wa bururi ria kweherera giturwo kiu. Handu-ini ha Kimemia TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.